Yeah, they be talking real crazy in these YouTube streets. I let them talk him. Yeah. Elevated, I'm king in these streets. Troll online, but I really be me. Say I got no dad, haha, that's cute. Ain't none of your business if it's false or it's true. Ain't dark skin glow, yeah, the ladies might trip. Different type wave, I don't move like them. Laugh now, hey, later, I already won. I was built for this, yeah, I'm really that one. Yeah, I troll for the last, but I stand on truth. Yeah, internet loud, I move real smooth. Yeah, they don't know pain, they just know views. I know pressure, I know what it do. Yeah, jokes hit hard, cause my skin thick. Yeah, can't break kings with a little slick diss. I joke about scars, yeah, I laugh at the pain. Still standing tall, still running the game. Yeah, elevated, I'm king in these streets. Talk my talk, cause I earn my seat. No handouts, no help, no lease. Self-made energy, undefeated beast. Got handsome face, yeah, the chat go wild. Confidence loud, been that since a child. Different mindset, yeah, different grind. They stuck on hate, I'm ahead of time. Trolling ain't fake, it's part of the art. I let them underestimate, hit them from dark. Laugh in the comments, rule from the throne. You hear my name, yeah, you already know, yeah. I troll cause I can, I'm real cause I choose to be. King of these streets, elevated chills. Yeah, they be talking real crazy in these YouTube streets. I let them talk him. Yeah. Elevated, I'm king in these streets. Troll online, but I really be me. Say I got no dad, haha, that's cute. Ain't none of your business if it's false or it's true. Ain't dark skin glow, yeah, the ladies might trip. Different type wave, I don't move like them. Laugh now, hey, later, I already won. I was built for this, yeah, I'm really that one. Yeah, I troll for the last, but I stand on truth. Internet loud.
Good morning again. Well, good morning to those that are tuning in. Good morning to those that were on the other channel. Grant, my guy. You said I have an MBA myself and never did much on the finance end though. Hey, I get it. I know a lot of times, especially the way that I have my setup going, and then with StreamYard, you know, I play it through the monitor over on this side, but a lot of times you guys see me looking this way. Yeah. So I'm playing people's videos and things like that, and then I'm looking this way. And a lot of times there might be a little bit of vulgarity coming out because I'm watching this screen. But yeah, it's grinding time. So work for me has been very, up and down. Like I have weeks where I'll get good hours, and then there'll be times where I don't get good hours. And so that's one of the reasons why I got into options trading. And so, I would just rather go ahead and be able to trade without distraction. Watching somebody's video and then I have my money out on the table and things like that. But yeah, it's all good. Not Asia in the building. Oh, I gotta switch my channel on YouTube. But as you guys can see, I'm still on StreamYard and whatnot. So I do have the paid version, the core plan, which is the $45 a month. But I have multiple YouTube channels linked to it. I have my Facebook page. I should probably link my other Facebook page. I have Kick, Twitch, and you know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's worth it, especially if you're just going to use it. it's not worth it to pay for it and you're not utilizing it, because then it's like, dang, I could have took that X amount of dollars, whatever it is, and like I could have figured something else out. But if you want something that's very quick and simple, yeah. I need to see if I could stream to both my channels at the same time through the same StreamYard studio. I know I've tried going live on StreamYard and then going on my other page on my other phone. It gave feedback, so I know that wasn't gonna work. But yeah, let's get into it. Tesla. Anybody that knows me, you know my saying. My saying is Tesla stock is gonna buy me a Tesla one day. I can't say I've made it to that point yet, but Tesla has helped me buy an old Infinity G35. But we on the right track. So I'm good with that. Got the daily chart pulled up. I know it's very busy. I need to redo this, but let me show y'all what I see. This candle up here was Wednesday, July 22nd. It shows the date down towards the bottom. That was their earnings date after market that day. And it had sold off the whole night. And then even into the morning on the red candle where the body is at, the opening price is up this way. It wicked up a little bit and then it just kept selling off. So on the daily chart, that's a gap, a daily gap. And now this green line that I have here it's a trend line. So after we sold off from the 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, well, 29th, excuse me. I skipped the whole weekend. What does the free version give? I'm not sure. You can't go live. I don't know how many destinations it is. But on the free version, they're gonna put the logo up on there, the little duck logo, StreamYard and stuff like that. You can't have people, you can do a panel, I think it's 6 people max, whereas the paid version gives you 10 people max. I'm not positive on if everybody could share it to their own channels or not. If you do host a panel, I'm not completely sure. Say I bought Tesla stock when it was 100, then it tripled and I sold half. Yeah, so you talking about, that was a little while ago when it did the split and then it dropped a little bit. I know what you're talking about. But hey, a 3x on your money is not bad. Well, technically a 2x, but they want to move that. So we going in the uptrend from since July 29th. We've had, dang, I know y'all probably can't see none of this stuff. I put a gray box around where the daily gap was at. We entered the gap, pause on August 14th. August 17th, we tried again with the gap. Wednesday, we we had a good push up into the gap, and then now yesterday, the Thursday, we ended up closing in the gap again. So closing price yesterday was 345.13. Pre-market was up 348.17, which is about a little over halfway up this candle from Wednesday. What do I feel like is gonna happen today? I feel like it's gonna do some chop, like it's gonna trade sideways. If you do get a very good push, once the bell opens in about 3 minutes and some change, I feel like it's gonna be a bull trap. So everybody's gonna be trying to get calls, expecting the rest of this gap to fill up to 370, 372, which could be massive profits, but I don't see it. So my indicators that I have down here, I have the RSI, which is right at the halfway point, which is indicating things could go either way. I have the MACD, which is below the volume candles, but this white, it's not white, but it's this light color candle is showing me that the price is starting to steady out. What does that mean? Possibly nothing, or it could possibly mean that the market makers is just trying to take everybody's money for right now. 500 profit, that was a while ago. You're doing something different. Oh yeah, this is options trading. This is options trading. So basically I'm putting money down to see whether the price is gonna go up or down within reasonable time. So I do scalps. So I want to see if the price is gonna move throughout the day. And let's see if I can make some money. What time is it? I don't know what time it is. SPY has a daily gap right below it. SPY look like it's curling down. QQQ look like it's about to curl down also, which Tesla is in both the SPY and the QQQ, which means that I'm going to look for Tesla to do a fake out. She said, okay, scalps, do you have a goal? Not really. I shoot for about 20%, 25%, things like that. Or if I'm in a good position and it shoots way past my goal, I'll set a stop loss and I'll just trail it as the price either goes up or down. So market is open. We do have a little gap here, but it's still early. So Tesla's going to bounce around for at least a few minutes. So I'm going to switch to the 15-minute, which we went. This red line up here is yesterday's high. Lord, I gotta remember how to. It's going to bounce around. Let me see the back to the daily. Let me put a rectangle because There is technically still that gap there. Yep, see what I'm saying? Usually most traders are going to tell you not to trade within the first 15 minutes of the market, but if you select right, you're going to be in a good position and you could be done trading within a few minutes. Got the daily gap marked out. Let's go back to the 15. We came down and we tapped on where the daily gap is at, but we didn't do much. So again, with the indicators, MACD is pointing downward, RSI is pointing downward. Lower that candle's 347.55, 347.50. So that gap actually did close. So I can remove that now. Now the old me, I would be jumping into a call right now, but since we're on live YouTube, I got to be a little bit more accountable because I can most definitely get smoked right now. So this tannish colored area is the pre-market open, the pre-market movement. Then this last candle here is in black, which is right now, present day market. Tesla dropped all the way down. I'm not buying it. I feel like it's going to pull back some more. I could be wrong. So let's look at the price of some of these calls. What will my target be? My target would be the full gap fill up to, I think I said it was like 380 or something, 372. 372 would be my target. What am I thinking right now? If I was to hop into a call, I could buy something for maybe 60, 70 bucks, which would still leave me some money in my account. And, if it goes against me, I will buy it with a few days out. This way I can figure something else out. I can figure out how to play it without having to worry about theta decay, which is time decay. Yeah, that ain't doing much. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA opened up a little bit high. Now it's just chilling around, kicking it. This was a gap here on NVIDIA, but I'll say it didn't close out fully, but that's close enough. So let's go ahead. Yep, get rid of it. What's SPY doing? Nothing. Oh, that's QQQ. Sorry about that. SPY chart is mostly similar to QQQ. So what is SPY doing? Nothing. We know. Tesla pulling back. That means NVIDIA might want to go ahead and run. Oh, it's at the 200. Well, already then. Ooh, it's gonna be rough at work today. I ain't even gonna lie. Yep. Boy. I think we'll look at QQQ. I probably missed that play on QQQ. It's all right though. Tesla just chopping around. Yeah, this is trash. Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing, so whatever the case, it is what it is. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll holler at y'all.